I'm Brian Roseberg, Director of Medical Laboratory Observer, and with me today is Jeremy Smith, and he is the Clinical Forensics Marketing Manager for Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. Now, Jeremy, we were speaking earlier about how Shimadzu is known for innovation. How are you providing innovative workflows for the clinical laboratory?
That's right, Brian. Shimadzu has always been known for its innovation and getting its products into clinical labs to solve those complex problems that all clinical labs face. One of those problems is, of course, sample load. How can you get these large sample test volumes through your lab in an efficient manner? That's what Shimadzu is here, and when we introduce the Nexera QX UHPLC system, that is a specific problem that it is trying to solve.
How does a product like the Nexera QX, how does that fit into the clinical laboratory, and is it capable of meeting of the robustness and reproducibility requirements often needed by these labs?
So when you look at something like the QX and you're considering your sample throughput, that's where one of your big pain points is going to be. How many samples can I actually run and acquire and process the data in a single day? So at Shimadzu, one of our biggest features is working through these pain points. And so one of the things that the QX can do is it takes a simple LCMS single flow method and essentially multiplexes it into a 4-fold capacity instrument.
Now, the multiplexing platform is very unique. With that being said, how is Shimadzu planning on implementing innovative improvements to the Nexera QX model for the modern applications, clinical applications?
So we've actually already started working on that, Brian.
Great.
One of the things that the current model does is it uses a 2-seal configuration. That means it has 2 injection ports. Now, to improve upon this, we understand that there are certain concerns for carryover and other interferences and things of that nature that the clinical lab must be aware of. So to improve upon this, we're introducing a 4-seal model which has 4 injection ports. So it's creating a completely separate 4 unique flow system.
Wow. Well, Jeremy, thank you for your time today. Pleasure.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Shimadzu, and thank you for watching. That's it for Medical Laboratory Observer here at ADLM. Have a good day.